Good morning, class. Today our topic is subtraction in base 5. So before explaining the subtraction in base 5, first I will explain this table. These numbers are in base 10 and these numbers are in base 5. So only one thing you have to remember by this table, which numbers are same in base 10 and base 5. So the number 0 to 4, 0 to 4. These numbers are same in base 10 and base 5. But when the numbers are greater than 4, then the number will be changed in base 10 and base 5. So by this table you can remember 5 in base 10, 10 in base 5. If the number is coming 5, then you will write 10. If the result is coming 6, you will not write 6. In the place of 6, you will write 11. If the number is coming 7, then you will write in the place of 7, 12. If the number is coming 8, then you will write 13. If the number is coming 9, then you will write 14. Because in base 5 have only 5 digits. Which one? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because you cannot write the bigger than 4 numbers. So now I will explain the subtraction in base 5 by the following examples. So first I will explain example number 1. We will subtract 214 base 5 from 431 base 5. So this number I will write first 431 base 5. Base 5 means this number in base 5. Now the next one number is 214 base 5. We are using a vertical method. So which sign we will write here? Because we are subtracting, so that's why we will write here minus sign. So students, can you subtract 4 from 1? No. Why? Because 1 is smaller than 4. So that's why you will take a carry from 3. So take a carry from 3, cut it and write over it 2 and write here 1. So students, you are adding or subtracting from the class KG1, KG2. Which number you are using, which number system you are using? Actually, in our daily life, we are using a base 10 number system. And when we take a carry in base 10, we take the carry of 10 numbers. Why? Because in decimal number system have 10 symbols, 0 to 9. And the base of the decimal number system is base 10. So that's why we take the carry of 10 numbers. But which number system we are using here? We are using a base 5 number system. So that's why in base 5 number system we will take a carry of 5 numbers. So when we take a carry from 3 and we will write here 1, this is a not 1. Actually this is a 5. This is a 5. 1 means 5. So we will write here 5. 5 and 1, 6. 5 and 1, 6. When we subtract 4 from 6, then the answer will come 2. Now, in the next column, now we will subtract 1 from 2. So 2 is bigger than 1, then the answer will come 1. Now we will subtract 2 from 4, so the answer will come 2. So we will write here 5. So this is the result of this question. Now we will solve the next example, example number 2. We will write 4000 and the next number 2, 2, 2. Base 5, minus sign. Okay, now we will subtract 2 from 0. So the 0 is smaller than 2, so that's why we will take the carry from this number. This number is also 0. Then we will take a carry from this number. This number is also a 0. We will take a carry from this number. So when we take a carry from 4, we will cut it and write over 3. And then we will write here 5, because I have already told you in these questions we will take a carry of 5 numbers, because we are subtracting in base 5. So we will write here 5. When we will take a carry from 4, we will cut it and write over 3 and write here 5, because why we are writing here 5, because in base 5 we will take a carry of 5 numbers. So now we will give the carry of this number, so we will cut it and write over 4, and over 0 we will write here 5. Again we will cut it, write here 4, and we will write here 5. Now we will subtract these numbers. Now we will subtract 2 from 5. The answer will be 3. 4 minus 2, answer will be 4 minus 2, answer will be 2. 3 minus 2, answer will be 1. So this is the final answer, 1, 2, 2, 3. So by this method you can subtract any number in base 5. So students, now we will solve example 3. Actually in this question there are 3 numbers, but they are different sign in it. 3, 4, 1 plus 2, 3, 4 minus 3, 4, 5. So in this question, first we will add these numbers, because between these numbers is a positive sign. So that's why first we will add them, or you can add these numbers 3, 4, 1 base 5, 2, 3, 4 base 5, and we use our vertical method. Why we will write there positive sign? Because we are adding these numbers. So addition in base 5 I have already explained in the previous lesson. So when we add 4 and 1, 4 and 1 means 5. Actually 5 according to the table, 5 means 10. 4 and 1 mean 5, and 5 mean 10. So we will write here 0 and we take a carry, and we will write a carry over here. Now we add these numbers 1 and 4 5, 5 and 3 8. So the 8 is equal to 13. So we will write here 3 and write a carry over here. Now we will add all these numbers 1 and 3 4, 4 6 mean 11. We will write here 11. So this is the answer in base 5. 1130. So now we will subtract 3, 4, 2 from this result. So how we write 11, 3, 0, base 5 minus, we write this number from this side, 2, 4, 3. We can write here 0. Okay, so we will write here minus sign because now we are subtracting. So 0 is smaller than 2, that's why we will take a carry from 3, cut it and write over here 2 and write here 5. 5 minus 2, answer will be 3. Now again 2 is smaller than 4, that's why we will take a carry from here, cut it and write here 0. And now we are taking a carry, so write here 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 and 4. Sorry, 5 plus 2, 7. If we write 5 plus 2, so it becomes 7. And when we subtract 4 from 7, the answer will be 3. Okay. Now 0 is smaller than 3. We will take carry from here, cut it and write here 0 and write over here 5. 5 minus 3, answer will be 2. So this is the answer of this question. So class, in exercise, from exercise 2.3, please solve all these sums, question number 20 and question number 21. Thank you class and God bless you.